Facebook, how to add photos to album. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add photos to album on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add photos to album on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from here. And once you're here on this page, what you actually want to do is just scroll down until you see your photos tab here, right? So go to the photos tab and go to albums, and here you will be able to see a list of albums you've created. So if you haven't created an album, you can select create album. If there's an existing album already, you can select a certain album here. Once you select a certain album, if you want to add photos or videos to this album, you can tap the add photos videos option, select the photo or video that you want to add over here, and then just tap the next option, and once done, those will get successfully added to your album. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add photos to album on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.